The largest furniture exhibition, MEBEL 2023, took place in Moscow from 20 to 24th of November. It attracted over 50,000 visitors. This year, we took part in this event, and we really had something to show. The ARISTO team has developed and introduced a large number of new products into the assortment, which were presented at our stand at the exhibition. Sliding doors of the new Clavier series in the Wave system profile with original facade milling. Wave Max profile for sliding doors with a maximum height of 3,200 mm and door width from 500 to 1,000 mm. Obverse and Smart profiles of the standard system are universal in application and developed in accordance with the latest trends in narrow profile systems. GOLA profile system, which can be used not only in kitchen units, but also in wardrobes, cabinets, and chests of drawers. Top-hung narrow profile gray system with a visible profile line of only 12 mm and doors opening to the full width, with the doors located one after the other. The gray system has no analogs in the world. Frame Modular System QB is another unique system consisting of a square profile and a universal cube-shaped connector. This profile replaces a whole complex of connecting fittings, which is a definite advantage over similar systems on the market. New items for filling cabinets with leather and velvet decor are created in accordance with fashionable design trends. Our developments did not leave the exhibition guests indifferent and impressed our colleagues and partners. During the exhibition, we were convinced that new products are in demand on the market. We thank the organizers for the wonderful event and all the guests for their interest in our developments. ARISTO, creating innovations for your interior.